Alright guys, here is a neat little thing picked up. I'm still in Tokyo. It's Japanese ginger ale, or actually Brooklyn, New York, but there's sediment on the bottom. It looks like there's a lot of ginger in this. So let's do a quick taste test and see how it looks. Alright, so I opened it up. It's a twist off bottle. I normally don't drink ginger ale, but you know, sometimes you're gonna need something for blood sugar, so here we go. And 100% fresh ginger, and you can see the little powdered stuff on the here. So wow, that's actually quite good. You can really taste the ginger in there. So lots of heat. So definitely check it out. If you have any questions, comments, guys, post below, subscribe to the channel.